Friends, now we'll start नेक्स्ट MCQ क्वेश्चन फॉर गेम प्रोग्रामिंग। ठीक है, तो पहला क्वेश्चन है हमारे पास। जैक्सन हैज़ बिन स्टॉर्म्ड सेवरल आइडियाज़ फॉर हिज गेम। ही इज़ नाउ ट्राइंग टू प्लान द सीन, एनिमेशन एंड कैरेक्टर इंटरेक्शन। विच स्टेप इन द गेम डिजाइन शुड जैक्सन कंप्लीट टू हेल्प हिम डेवलप हिज आइडियाज़? देन आंसर इज क्रिएट स्टोरी बोर्ड। ठीक है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2। Madisa would like to learn more about game design. Her teacher explained that the first step is to learn how to audience, element and character in a game work together. What is the best method for completing this first step? The answer is analyze existing game by deconstructing them. Question number 3. Jackson is playing a game in which player must maneuver around changing barriers and moving objects inside a maze. This is an example of which type of game? That is skill. Question number 4. Which programming element is used by game programmer to track and display score information? Variables. The answer is variables. Question number 5. Which type of error can be difficult to identify because the program still runs but does not do what you expect it to do? The answer is logic error. Question number 6. Which number of game design team writes the dialogue for the character and develop the animation and sceneries that occur during gameplay? That is game designer. The answer is game designer. Question number 7. The action that you want your game to perform and the goal that you want players to be able to achieve in your game are called criteria. The answer is criteria. Question number 8. Consider the following example. Problem: Cassidy has 15 tokens. Syria has 10 tokens. Cassidy gives Syria 2 tokens. How many more tokens does Cassidy have than Syria? Solution: Cassidy token 15. Subtract 2 tokens from Cassidy. Total tokens is 15 minus 2, that is 13. Syria tokens is 10. Add 2 tokens to Syria token, that is 10 plus 2 is 12. Subtract Cassidy total tokens from Syria total tokens, that is 13 minus 12, that is equal to 1. That answer is Cassidy has one or more than Syria, which term describes step-by-step instruction that appears under solution in the example above. That is algorithm. Question number 9. Study the example which term describe this game design element. This is a storyboard. In programming language, character, string, integer, floating point and boolean are example of variable data types. Consider the following instruction: move forward, repeat, move forward 10 times. Which two types of programming structure are included in this example? It is sequential and looping. Question number 12. Which term describes the process used to plan every step of game's animation? That is storyboard. Which member of the game design team writes the step-by-step computer instruction or code required to create game? That is answer is programmer. Which term describes the first functional example of game that you are developing? That is prototype. The answer is prototype. Question of 50. Allison has been asked to create an algorithm that can be used to calculate the area of rectangle. Review the following algorithm. Measure the length of rectangle and store result as length. Step 2. Measure the width of the rectangle and store result as width. Step 3. Null. Step 4. Display the area of rectangle. Which task would Allison algorithm need to perform in step 3? That is multiply length by width. Multiply length by width. ठीक है. Question number 16. Which type of software is most commonly used to create the 3D animation and motion graphics used in games? The answer is game design engine. In order to write a successful algorithm, you must first able to solve the problem manually. Question number 19. Which term describe a technique used to encourage creativity, generate ideas and solve problem in a group by allowing each member to share their ideas about a subject? That is brainstorming. Consider the following list of problem solving steps. Question number 21. Amy is creating a park scene for her game. She has created a class for tree subject. The park scene will require multiple trees in a variety of size, color and position. Which programming term describes the character needed, size, color, etc. for each object, that is properties. Which statement regarding the method is true? Method or function used within an object class. ठीक है, आंसर इज मेथड और फंक्शन यूज विद इन एन ऑब्जेक्ट क्लास. Question number 23. Which programming element is used to provide a detailed description of an object characteristics and specify what can be done with object? That answer is class. What is the first step in the game design process? Brainstorm ideas. Which type of operators includes the double and or and not symbol? Logical boolean operator. ठीक है. Question 26. Which statement correctly defines iteration? It is a repetition of a process. ठीक है. Question number 27. Which of the describe the graphical diagram of the step or decision process contained in algorithm flowchart? Question number 28. A programmer needs to instruct an object in her program to move up when up arrow key is pressed. Which of the following must programmer write to accomplish this? An event handler. Question number 28. Gina has created a wizard class. She has used the class to build two wizard objects in her game. Which programming term describes the object that Gina built using the wizard class? That is instances. The answer is instances. Question number 30. Your testing group has given you a list of suggestions and issues to help refine your game prototype. Your team has identified the issue and brainstorm solution ideas. Which step in design process should your team complete next? Create and execute the solution. ठीक है. Question number 31. According to the mathematical order of precedence using in a programming, which portion of expression should be evaluated first? Parenthesis. The answer is parenthesis. Question number 32. Tabitha is assigning initial values to each variable in her program. Which term describes the process of assigning an initial value of variable? That is answer is initializing. Question number 33. Your team has developed the first draft of game program. You plan to demonstrate how game functions to the customer next week. Which term describes the game draft that your team created the demonstration prototype? Question 34. Which of the following is used to store data in computer memory that can be used by a program later when executing instruction? The answer is variable. Question number 35. Which term describes the set of step-by-step instruction executed in order to solve a problem or perform a task? That is answer is algorithm.
नाइट आउट स्टडी चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन प्रेस करें